in the class. Yes, let's see how it goes today. Akshar Amin, that's Vrinda with us. Okay, so in the last session that we had attended, right, what did we learn? We learned about rounding off, right? Rounding off, okay, to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, okay? So let's do a quick recap of the things that we had done. All you need to do is, right, find the nearest 10. For the first one, 18, number 2, 35, and number 3, 41. Come on, give me the answers quickly. Okay, give me the answer quickly. Now this is, let's do it quick. Come on. Come on. Start typing your answer. Very good. Come on. Yes. Admit all. We have got how many? 72 students now. That's good. Come on. Let's finish it up. Warm up quickly. Let's do it. Going to start writing the answers now. You can check on your own, and if you're done well, you know what to do, right? If you've done all of them correct, then you know what are you going to do? Raise your hand, turn it backwards, and pat yourself. Okay? If you have got it all correct. Very good. Let's see. All right. Let's see how many of you have got it correct. Very good. Come on. All the answers are on the board. Come on, let's do it quickly. How many of you got all answers correct? How many of you got it? Please raise your hand if you have got all of them correct. Rajendra, how many did you get correct? Rounding off. Yes? Bolo?
8,
All
8,
8. Okay, good. Good. That's good. Come on. Uh, Neil Raj. Neil Raj, how many correct you got? Come on. Neil Raj is not okay. Yes. Yes, Neil Raj. How many did you get correct? Yes. बोलो बेटा. Speak up.
क्या
आपके कितने सही हुए? टोटल 9 एग्जाम्पल. वेरी गुड बेटा, very good. Okay, let's go to the next slide. How many of you got correct? Vedant got everything correct. Wonderful. Very good beta. Shikha Patel, I'm sure she has got it. We have got Tanmay, Ananya Mehta, Rishi Rachi saying side please. Okay, I will move away. Okay, Kanani, how many did you get correct? Shikha Patel is saying 8,000. Okay, there you made a mistake. Yes, okay. Okay, Ananya Mehta is all correct. Very good. Falak Mohnani said properly. Durva Patel got all correct. Good job, Durva. Very good. Very good. Yes. Hate, did you get them correct? Wonderful, beta. Okay, let me unmute you. Unmute Hate. Yes.
Sir, 8.
Okay, 8. That's good. That is good. Wonderful. Okay. Okay. Right. All right then. So you know how to round them off. Okay. Now what we are going to do next is add, subtract, multiply, and divide by rounding off. Right? By rounding it off. And why would you do that? To get a nearest estimate. We had discussed what is an estimation. मतलब what is an estimation? सबको याद है? We have got one student who had answered it. What is an estimation? That was Vrinda, right? Now, how many of you remember that what is estimation? Jia, याद है? What is estimation?
Rounding number.
Rounding the numbers. लेकिन हम ऐसा क्यों करेंगे? Why will we round it off? Come on.
So that I don't know.
Okay, that you don't know. Fine. We will round it off so that the calculation becomes easy for us. Okay, so that calculation becomes easy for us. Let's see one example. Okay, this is from worksheet number 21. Worksheet number 21. Question type 1, and in that one, problem number 2. Here, problem number 2, which says 69 plus 74. Okay, now this is what we are going to do. Do we need to do a correct answer? Yes, when sometimes we need to do correct answers. Sometimes we just have to guess. And the nearest answer is also fine, right? So what we are going to do is this 69. What is the nearest number? Obviously 70, right? So you get 70 here, and this one rounded off to the nearest 10 is also 70. So the addition becomes 140. Okay. Now 69 plus 74, if you do actual division, right? If you do actual division, it becomes 9 plus 4 is 3, 1 carried over. So 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, 143. Okay. And this rounded off, right? Rounding off 143 is 140. Okay. So you got the nearest answer. इतना होगा, right? Sometimes we say no, अरे ऐसा होगा. So that is what rounding off is. That is called an estimation, right? Teacher, this can also be using fraction and money. Very good, Brinda. Yes, in fractions, in money, that we will learn later on. We have got a big chapter on money also. Okay, so we will be doing that, right? So on a rough estimate, it comes to about 140. Okay, so this is how we do some of the rough estimations. Sometimes we say mere mama ka ghar, it is about 25 kilometers, right? Sometimes we say that. Sometimes we say it's near 30 kilometers, right? it may be 28, it may be 34. So we will say it is around 30 kilometers. Yes, right? अगर यहाँ से बड़ौदा में है किसी के अंकल का घर, right? If you have your mama's home nearby Baroda, Baroda is around 40 kilometers, right? If you exactly know, then from Vidyanagar, Baroda is about 37 kilometers. Okay, it's 37 kilometers, but rounded off, it's about 40 kilometers. This is called an estimation. Yes, very good, Param. You have done your work, but doing only the math part is not going to help you out. You need to learn the logic behind it. Okay, so pay attention. Okay, another example for subtraction from the same worksheet is question number 4. 92 minus 35. Come on, do the guessing. 92 becomes 90, 35 becomes 40. So guess is 50, right? But the actual subtraction, if you do 92 minus 35, actual subtraction is going to be 12 minus 5 is 7 and 8 minus 3 is, sorry, okay, right? So we have got a nearby estimate. Okay, we can do it all the time, right? Okay, right? Now estimating near to the 100, question number type 2. In that number, only one we will do out of 4. We will do number 4. 307 minus 146. Yes. So estimating to nearest 100. Karamsad to Baroda, again it will be the same data, around 40 kilometers. We can say 40. Right? Karamsad to Baroda is also the same because Anand and Karamsad is only 6 kilometers. So it's not a much of a big difference. Right? So here 307. So nearest 100 is 300. 146 is going to be 100. The difference is around 200. Right? You can estimate it all the time. Right? Sometimes it is not required to have a correct answer. You need to have just an idea. Okay, this is about this much. Okay, that's what this estimation is all about. Okay, all right. So we will go on to the next one, which is estimate the answer to the nearest 100. The third type question, right? Question number 3 in the worksheet, nearest to the 100. And the question is number 1, 3,560 plus 1,740 plus 1,234. Okay, so we are going to make a rough estimate for each number, nearest 1,000, and then we will add them. Okay, so 3,560, it is more than 3,499, so it becomes the next 1,000, which is 4,000 plus this one 2,000 plus this one will become less, so 1,000. Okay, so the answer is going to be around 7,000. Okay, very good. We have got Navya who got it correct answer for the previous one, and here again Anya. Very good, good job. Come on. Okay, so you can do the rest of the examples. We'll go to the next one. Worksheet number 22 is going to be a homework. It is very easy. Worksheet number 22 is going to be completely homework. Worksheet 22 is entirely homework. Okay, it's very easy. We already have done this. Okay, now again, look at the worksheet number 22, question number 2. The part 1 is going to be homework. Number 2, it's a story song in which estimation is required. Okay, it is the second type of question in which story songs are there and you have to estimate. Okay, so let's do this type of example. right? Number 1, sorry, in that 8. Raj wants to buy 1 kg of apples for rupees 35. Okay, rupees 35. All right, Siddhi Prajapati. Okay, and bananas for rupees 17. Rupees 17. He has rupees 50. Right? He has rupees 50. Can he buy? Yes or no? Right? Now this has to be a guess, only an estimate. Yes, Ananya, correct answer. 35 rounding off, it will become 35. When we round it off becomes 40. This, when we round it off, it becomes 20. What is required? 60. How much he has? Only 50. So can he? No, he cannot buy. He needs more money, right? So this type of guessing questions, this is what requires little bit of thinking, right? You can do it all the time, and you can keep playing this kind of games with your family members. अचानक पापा के साथ बैठे बैठे टीवी देखते देखते पूछ लिया कि पापा, we have got 600 rupees, and the light bill is 648. So is it okay or not? Right? You can keep asking these type of questions, make it interesting with the family, right? Fun time with family using mathematics. You can do it all the time. Keep playing. Suddenly khate khate papa se पूछ लो, papa 12 paisa, right? And same way parents will ask you also, right? Be ready for that too. अचानक आप खेल रहे हो, पापा से मांग रहे हो कि पापा मुझे ये गेम चाहिए, और पापा ने पूछ लिया कि बेटा what is 13 6 then, right? So you need to be smart too. Okay, so be very careful with these games. All right. Okay, next one is estimate the product. Worksheet number 23 we are going to do. Worksheet number 23. Worksheet number 23. Estimate the product by guessing to the nearest 100 and then multiplying. Okay, that is how we are going to do. First one, 407 into 231. Now here we have to use two important functions. Yes, 13 6 is 68. Nidhi, you need to work on your tables. Right? I know you don't do the tables. Think again and answer. 13 6. So this one, nearest 100 is going to be 400. Okay? And for this one, the nearest 100 is going to be 200. Okay? Right? It is 231. So all you have to do is 20. Right? Now multiplying these two big numbers. What do we do? Do we do this kind of calculation? Or we can do product. Do we need to do this, all these calculations? No. We know that when the multiplication problem involves zeros, we don't count them as such. All we have to do is multiply the number. 4 2s are 8. Just put the zeros in total. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Done. Right? Look at this number. If you have to calculate 407 into 231, it will take some time. Yes, it will take some, you will need some minutes to finalize this product either this way, right? 407 into 231. It is going to take some time for you to figure out, right? But you can have an estimate. Okay, this comes to about this much of value. Okay, you can give a rough estimate. You can do a guess that this is the amount which I'm going to need. Okay, so very easy multiplication fundamental is here, right? This is very easy math funda. Okay, so you can do it all the time. Next number we are going to do is E. 693 into 208. Come on, Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Come on. Option number E. Directly. Come on. 693. Nearest 100 is going to be the next one, which is 700. Very good, Vrinda. 208 is going to be 200. So 700 into 200. So 7 twos are 14. And then 4 zeros. So the answer is going to be 140,000. 700 into 200. 7 twos are 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in Indian system, this number will be 1,40,000, right? And in international method, it is going to be 140,000. Yes? Clear, everyone? Good job. All righty then. That's it for the day. Worksheet number 23. The remaining examples are going to be homework. Okay? All right? Remaining examples are going to be homework. Yes, everyone understood? Yes, no. Come on, Arya. Good, very good. Palak Mohanani is saying, sir, move away. Okay. All right. Nirva Saparia, you got it. Good job. You want to ask something, Ira? Nirva Saparia, you want to ask something? Yes. Ask to unmute. Yes?
No, sir. No.
No. All right. Okay. Okay. No problem, sir. That's it for the day. I will see you in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and have lots of fun. Okay?